What's up, Classic family? Here we have the new Motocompacto by Honda. We're going to walk through how to set it up and tear it down today. First, you're going to go through, there's a little lever on the back right here, and you're going to push it in and lift the handlebars up. On the handlebar, you'll lift the lever out. This will come up and it'll lock in place. Lock that back in. On the top, you'll push the button in and lift the lever out, which will then pull this out and twist. And it'll lock back in super easy. After the handlebars are set, you'll reach inside and you get the seat that is stored within the scooter. You'll lock the seat. So it's one assembly with the notch facing the front of the scooter. It'll go and it'll slide right into place. After the seat is in, you'll come down to this lever right here. You'll pull it out and you'll twist it up. This frees the back wheel to pull out. You'll get the lever, push it back down, and it'll lock into place. You'll come down to the pegs, and you'll pull each one out on both sides, and you're good to go to ride it. So once the scooter is set up, you're going to hold the power button to turn it on, and it's going to cycle to turn on. Once it's on, you'll see the lock button flashing. Once the lock button turns off, it confirms the scooter is set up correctly. If the lock button stays on, revisit the setup process to make sure that everything is set up correctly. When the scooter is on, the light is on all the time. If you press the button one time, it turns the headlight off. If you press it on again, it turns the headlight on. Once you know if you want your headlight on or off, you can then choose your speed setting. With a rapid double click, it'll go from first setting to second setting. Second setting gets you up to 15 miles per hour. Now that you've enjoyed your ride, let's go ahead and pack this scooter back up. Going in reverse order, you'll go to the pegs and you'll fold the pegs both back in. After your pegs are up, you'll put the wheel back in by lifting the leather, pulling it up towards you, and then giving it a nice little push back into the scooter. You'll get that, you'll lock it right back in. You'll come to the seat, you'll push the button on the back of the seat to lift the seat up. You'll unlock the seat, pull the lever down, and the seat opens up. The seat will go right back into this middle compartment right here. Now that your seat is put away, you'll come to the handlebars, push the button on the top, and release the lever. Pull the handlebars towards you and twist, make sure your arm's on the way, clockwise, lock them back into place. Once the handlebars are sideways, you'll come on the inside, there's a red lever, you'll pull the lever up and then in towards you. Once that's in, you'll release the handlebar lever, pull the pull tab, and drop the handlebars down and relock it back into place. Once this is done, the handlebars will come in and they'll lock into the back of it. From there, you can take your scooter and go wherever you want. See you later.